What up, ladies and gents, boys and girls, and who it is, everyone check by different versions. And it's a bit of a time. It's Jack, and you're moving the only way, man. That's the one way, that's the Jack way. And right here, we're always pushing hits, we're always pushing events. Now, Zezvelicha, Epakini, for Play Me House. Make sure to pull up because it's about to be vibe. Just stick around. I promise you, this is the way, the Jack way. That's the only way. Masam. Ladies and gentlemen, we're moving the Jack way. Zelapa is zone 1. Tilaba Play Me House. And I'm here with
DJ Chet.
Never know DJ Chet. So can you tell us about your vision behind the Play Me House?
Play Me House is it's a social event, daytime event. The vision is that nice, good vibes. It's a socializer, it's a social event.
Okay, so about be updates about in the next events and stuff.
There's a page there on Facebook. It's Play Me House. Yeah, you can go there and search Play Me House.
Okay.
Always update our page. Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's very anonymous. Now DJ Chet, and we are here to have a good time. Now uza enjoy Hey, you know, it's Jack. And in it's going down up as well. And I'm here with
Savage_media 929, you know what it is.
Yeah. I'm here with the Savage. Guys, Nebona petty camera or petty way. So can you tell us, man? How long have you been doing the way camera?
Puter, it's been 4 years doing this, and I started my own company called Savage_media_929, both Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, since Slapa Play Me House is on 1. Ever since Vizula and takes in Bueker, I was like, when's the Gani Park? Then I came to find out, man, just music, chill, for Taban to chill. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
So like,
yes, it's Savage_media929, both Facebook and Instagram.
Okay.
Naganjan.
Okay, for sure. Who is the hottest chick on your contact list?
Anita Buddha.
Shout out to Anita. Tango. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, we are back. And as Polanga, and I'm here with
Abudi Warinate, Abudi Photos, the best in King.
Abudi Photos. Nayas was the best quality pictures. So, Brian, can you tell me if tell me.
Chayama was there from day one.
Yeah.
Even Yamachi Italina, so I'll always be here supporting a brand. This is Play Me House. Yeah. We're here for the good vibes. Yeah. This is King William Salma at its best. Danko.
Yeah, before that, who is the best DJ? Okay, mix
Apa? Lalela. What DJ abadala boy?
Okay.
Uzavumkulo.
Okay.
Sizabamnandi.
Okay.
The best is coming.
Okay.
There's a DJ called DJ Chet. Ayinja yempilo asibonge.
So bra abantu bekufunayo for bookings for photo to give them like best quality pictures bangafumana.
It's Abudi Photos on Instagram, Abudi Photos on Facebook, Abudi Photos on TikTok, Abudi Photos on Twitter, everywhere, even on YouTube, I'm there. But for my number, it's 079 666 0840.
Thank you, bro. Extending, we are having fun. We're here to have fun. We're here to enjoy, man. I'm not alone. I'm here with
Dinani.
What?
Dinani.
Okay, I'm here with okay, so it's fine. But can you tell me about
This place is really good, guys. Like, y'all should come here often. Whenever there's an event, like, guys, this is fun. This is everything.
Yeah,
this is everything.
So when I kuhlala bezwelitsho kanye.
No, ndihlala ePhakamisa.
Guys, imagine from PK to Zweze, ayingazifosi. Kumnandi so abantu bakufuna bangafumana phi?
Bangafana ka Facebook, ndingundinani Aplane. I don't really use Instagram, so yeah, and I don't really use Facebook, but yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Thank you. Have a
thank
good
you.
time, man.
Thank you, now
Exe Calvin ngicela nathi silapha eZwezwe silapha eZwezwe zone 1 siku-Play Me House and I'm not alone, I'm here with
Phiwa Khamncwana ePhakamisa.
Phiwa Khamncwana all the way from ePhakamisa to eZwezwe. Just imagine umlando kulapha yonke into imnandi yonke sigrand. So can you tell us uyifumana kanjani le ndawo?
Through Facebook. I saw iposts zabaza last week but Play Me House ngqoma no anokwazi usisosa. Yeah, no mandize. Let me go through.
So like ngoku xa umuntu efuna ukwazi wena ngakufumana phi?
Phiwa Khamncwana. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So niyapha hit up Phiwa Khamncwana on Facebook. Ningaziposi guys. Thank you ne. Yenda weekend. Woza. Okay, kanti ngiqala lathi ndilapha kwakhona and I'm not alone, I'm here with
Yes, silapha eZolitshe parkini kumandi.
Yeah.
Because ipark esingaphi lena I think yesibini so siyajema kumandi.
Yeah.
Kumandi cho.
Ithi Somakia namhlanje sizogia. Yazivela guys, so ningaziposi Play Me House.
Jona izalo ongakangazapha
Uyasiposa, uyashiya.